really exciting, as you guys know. Today, we're going to be opening the EEvee and the what is it called again? The EEvee and what is his name again? This. We're opening that today. And already opened it to like get all of the like plastic out. And it came with this GX tag team metal thing. Open this up. Okay. So here's the card. Okay. Now I know the name. EEvee and Snorlax. I forgot his name. I forgot Snorlax's name for a second. EEvee and Snorlax tag team GX. Scratchy. I love Scratchy. Open up these. Open up these. Open up these. Open up these. So bring this up. For some first pack magic. Okay, put that over there. And this. Okay. Here's the code. What is it? 3 or something? It's 3 or 4. Okay. Okay, so did I do it wrong? Or is there like just no? Okay, I did the pad trick right. So Mewtwo, Magmar, Trainer. Ghastly. Are these all like? These are like all old card condition. So weird. Back to busted. First pack was horrible. Horrible, guys. Horrible. It's horrible, guys. Okay, there's the code. Hi! We got this. Energy. If you didn't already, hit the like. If you didn't already, hit the subscribe button. And if you didn't already, hit the bell. Hit the bell. If you didn't already, hit the bell. If you did it already, you need to hit the bell. Okay, last card. Wait. I swear, I just saw something. I swear I just saw something. Wait, let me put these back in order. This card. This is messed up. like, you guys see, hold on, guys. You guys see it? Do you see that glitter? Look, just like a good card. Like, I see something's good. Whoa, that's so weird. Come on, just get something good. Okay. Look, this. 2, 7, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Energy. This pack is. This tin is horrible. Look at this, guys. You should look at this. You should look at this. This tin is horrible. Tin is so bad. Last pack. Let's hope for some last pack magic, guys, because this tin is not going good for me today. I just like spent like a lot of money on this, and it's nothing. There's nothing else wrong with me. Ew. Ew, do not eat that. It's just horrible. Okay. Card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! I just counted to my 30s, like, guys. I'm the king. Guys, I went back to preschool. I went back to preschool. Psych, I'm going into 3rd grade. This tin is horrible. If I get nothing, I'm just gonna scream. If I get nothing, I'm going to scream. Except if I get something, I'm going to scream. Because that's still a bad box. So, if there's nothing here, I'm just going to go into scream and leave. That's what I'll do. Last 4 cards. But do them all together, guys. Last 4 cards. Okay. Bam! Not together. I'm just left 4 cards. Okay. Last one. It's not a scratch. It's not a scratch. It cannot. No scratchy. Looking at it. Okay, so, okay. I'm okay. Ah! This is so bad. No, at least we got this. And this. Guys, can you just I'm just sad. I'm sad! Got this box for nothing. Wait. No. Definitely put that in there. Nope. But yeah, 40 days, not too good video. So, bye.